Hello and welcome. In this new grandMA3 video tutorial, we will see how to create a color picker in the layout view. If this channel is of help to you, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive YouTube notifications when I upload a new video. In the grandMA3 software, we had to do many steps to achieve something similar, or use the JSON GIAFO plugins. Okay, let's start. We will use some simple macros. If you want these macros, you just have to leave your email in the comments. When you receive the WinRAR file and unzip it, this folder is created with the image files and macros. We select the images and give it a copy. Now, let's go to the grandMA3 folder. The grandMA3 folder is automatically created when you save the show to your USB. In the grandMA3 folder, there is a folder named Shared. In the Shared folder, there is a folder called Resource. Select the folder called Image Library. In this folder we paste the images. Now, we go back to the console, and our task is to upload the images and macros to their respective pools. Something important, you must create your work views as you prefer. Let's start by launching the macro auto color. This macro will create 11 color presets for RGB and CMY fixtures. These color presets do not work for color wheel fixtures. We will have to take the proper colors of the fixture color wheel and mix them with the presets created by the macro. We can see that they work perfectly with our spot and our wash fixtures. We will merge the colors with the existing presets. Some colors in 3D don't look like the color it says, but it's something directly from 3D. It is also very common in MA3D. Now we can see how colors work on all fixtures. After having our color presets ready, we will activate macro, store sequences, and this macro will create 11 sequences for each group from box 201 onwards. Okay, we already have our sequences ready. We have to add our images and our appearances in their respective pools. The way to add the images in the appearance pool is, we press an empty box, and we lower the cursor and we can see that we have several functions. We select the edit option, and a window opens where we can add an image. We repeat this process for each color. This macro will assign each appearance to the sequences according to their respective names. Before activating the macro, we must put the name of each color. We touch the macro and this macro will add the appearances. Now we will assign our sequences to layout view. We will write this command. Assign sequence 201 through 211, and we touch the layout view. When our sequences are already added in our layout, we just have to organize them to our preference. And we repeat the same process for the sequences that we want to add. Finally, we have our color picker sequences ready. As a last step and optionally, we can create some macros to add fade to our RGB and CMY fixtures. Since we are working with sequences, we will apply fade to the sequences. In this case, we will do it from sequence 214 to sequence 238, which correspond to spot and wash. The command that we will add in the macro line is sequence 214 through 238 Q1 Q fade 0. We will call this macro fade 0. We will do the same process for the new macros, and we will only change the fade value that we want to add. When finished, we will assign our macros to the layout, and we can start using them.